yarn lovers, welcome back to the craft room. Today we are discussing Aldi's September drop. So we're going to have a look at the yarn, we're going to have a look at the knitting needles, there's some new knitting needles in there, we're going to have a look at the colours, we're going to discuss the colours, the palettes, everything, the costs. Let's just get into it. Now we're going to start with DK. So if I'm looking down there, it's because I have all the information down there. You're there, information is there. So right, we're going to start with DK, like I said. So there are quite a few colours of this. Quite a few colours, some nice colours as well. So we've got black, cream, dark grey, deep red. That's a nice Christmas red. I like this red. We've got green. If you pair those together, that's Christmassy. I like it. There's light blue. It feels a bit springy. I mean, if you're doing it like for winter, if you want to make like fair isle things, or you know, if you're going to like alternate, you could. It could make a Christmas jumper, Christmas cardigan. I mean, I do like blue. You guys know how I feel about blue. I love blue. We've got a mustard colour. I'm not a fan. I don't know. I don't wear yellow. I'm not a fan of it. But I mean, if you like yellow, it's like the 1970s mustard colour. There's a nice pink here, but it's like, it's giving spring, unless, I mean, they're missing an orange. So there's no orange to do summerween. Orange would have been nice, Aldi. Please take into consideration what I say. But then there's white. So there's lots of nice colours to have a look at. I wish there was an orange. I'm pretty sure they've done something that tried to resemble an orange. But like, I mean, you can see like the kind of oranges there. Like Halloween oranges, because we're in September. You've still got like a whole 4 weeks before you've got Halloween. So you have time to make something for Halloween. But you ain't going to get the orange yarn from Aldi. Now this is £1.29 a ball, so cheap as chips. It's almost matching Berry Market, but Berry Market just pips it by 9p. So product details, it is 100 grams per ball. It's approximately 250 metres and it is 100% acrylic. So that's the DK. So let's move on to Aran now. Now Aran is also £1.29 a ball. It comes in the colours black, cream, mid-grey, sage green and white. I quite like that. Like, it's like an army type of green, that sage green. But like, I don't feel like there's a palette to make things with. So if I'm looking at it, I mean, I could probably make something out of black, white and green, or you could do black, white and grey. But as far as like, I mean, I know that Aldi can't bring out like as many colours as Stylecraft all at once. I mean, if they did, I'd be hats off if they did that all in like, you know, a special buy. But they're not going to, realistically. But I just think some like, I know these are kind of wintry, kind of. And I know that for a lot of people, the blacks, the whites and the creams will be staples. But I mean, we've only got like a sage green and a mid-grey to go with it. And they usually have a blue that goes with it. I just think like if they had some more maybe Christmas or Halloween colours, would have been very nice. Would have been really nice. But alas, we have some things here to buy. Right, so details, 100 grams yet again, 195 metres per ball, and this is 75% acrylic and 25% wool. So just bear in mind, if you get a little bit scritchy off wool, this Aran contains wool. Right, now moving on to chunky. So this chunky stuff, I have previously made a scarf, and it's like a bit of a clunky chunky. It's not as soft as some other brands. I mean, it's soft to touch, but then when you work with it, you really have to give it a good like wash and a bit of a block, and it becomes a bit softer. I mean, plus I crocheted with it. When you crochet with things, they're a way bulkier than if you knit with it. You probably could do some finger knitting with it, to be fair, because it is pretty fat. So the colours, black, blue, brown, cream, dark green and grey. So yeah, there's a few more than the Aran. This is 100% acrylic. You're only getting 50 metres per ball. And it is 100 grams. So 50 metres, I mean, if you're going to do any kind of project, I mean, bear in mind, chunky yarn will take up more space. So if you were going to make just a basic cardigan out of it, like a back panel, 2 front bits, 2 sleeves, then for this, it's probably going to, like, it won't take as many balls as if you had, like, the DK stuff, for example. But yeah, you will need more than 1 or 2 balls because there's less of it per ball. But that's standard with, you know, when the yarn gets fatter and you want to keep it at 100 grams, you're going to get less yarn. Right, this is a fun one, the baby yarn. Now the baby yarn is always lovely and soft, can't deny it. I don't know how it pills because Did I ever buy it? I don't think I've ever bought the baby yarn, and if I did, it was like I passed it straight on to somebody. I've never worked with it, so if you have worked with Aldi's baby yarn, like how does it hold up if you're making like amigurumi, or if you made a garment or something? Like what if you made a snood, like an ultra soft snood, but then it was like the fluff was coming off? I don't know. If you've worked with it, let people know down in the comments if it's nice or not. It does feel nice in the shop. It does feel very nice. So the colours, you're getting baby blue, baby pink, ivory, lemon, lilac, mint, peach, soft grey and white. So I kind of expected the peach to be more vibrant, but I'm looking at it on a screen, it might be more vibrant, I don't know. So this is 100 grams, 68 meters, because I mean it's you know, it's not DK, it's fairly chunky, probably a bit more than the Aran, and it is 100% polyester. So not acrylic, it's polyester. Right, now I don't think we've had this before, and right, okay, you have to let me know how you pronounce this. Do you say macrame or do you say macrame? Macrame, macrame. I'm common, I say macrame. It's $1.99, this macrame stuff, and it comes in the colours mustard, pumice, rust and sage leaf. So if ever you're going to do some macrame, you've got your mustard, your pumice, your rust and your sage leaf. Very posh. I think that macrame for me, it's like a posh hobby. So, you know, when your friends come over for a glass of Chardonnay, say, oh, I like that on the wall. What is this? Oh, it's macrame. I made it myself. You know, it's posh for me. I'm not that posh. Right, so it is 100% cotton. So I was going to grab some cotton to show you, but we had some internet fitted, and this craft room on the floor is upside down, so I don't have any cotton to hand to like be like this is cotton, but you probably already know what cotton looks like. So it is 150 to 200 grams approximately. So is there not consistency among the skeins? Is one of them bigger than the others? I don't know. But yeah, so 100% cotton. To be what we did with our macrame yarn that we got from the range, we needed extra things to tie our tent to secure it when we went camping on Skye. That vlog's going to be up like next week or the week after. I just have to edit it. But we took macrame stuff because it was cheaper than the rope that you could buy in the range. So we took macrame yarn and tied our tent to the fence in the tree, because honestly, if you've ever been camping on Skye, you feel like you're going to be taken off to the Wizard of Oz land. Right, anyway, enough of that. Let's get on to the really fun one that everybody loves. It is the rainbow and ombre yarn. Now, a bit sad to see that even though we've got blue rainbow, which it's very familiar, they kind of did something similar last year. We've got taupe, so there's like this taupe colour, which I actually really like, and if I was going to go and buy any yarn from Aldi, like that's not lie about it, I'm probably going to buy some. This is what I'm going to buy. So this, it actually looks bigger than it has been previously. So let me tell you the other two colours and we'll get into its details. So there's the turquoise ombre, and usually we'll have like a blue ombre and a pink ombre. I think I've got some blue ombre. I think I need to put it on Vinted because I've not used it. I need to put it on Vinted. Anyway, right, so this turquoisey ombre, nice colours, pretty nice. It just looks like it's kind of skeined differently. And then the final one is Wildflower Rain, which just looks like a little bit of madness, to be honest. I quite like it. But again, there's a bit of a lack of, you know, like any kind of theme. So, I mean, Christmas wool will always go down well close to Christmas and then up to Christmas. Similarly, you've got a lot of young people that are now getting into crochet. Like crochet is massive on TikTok, on YouTube, it's everywhere. You know, I literally have 30 children in my craft club, in my, you know, it's purely crochet. I have 30 children per time that come in to learn crochet. So it is massive among younger generations. So if you are putting things out for like Halloween and Christmas, you know, they want to make like little gifts and stuff, and you know, it's massive among Gen Z. Just everybody just seems to be into it. So if you want to cater for like holidays and stuff, and you know, Aldi, you could sell like, not sell patterns, but like you could have like, I was going to say influencers, you could have some people, you know, send them some samples of yarn and say, make something for our ad campaign and we'll market this. Because I mean, you know, not everybody knows that Aldi has wool, and I don't know, I'm going off on a tangent. I do like it, it is pretty colours. Now just be careful, because with these, they look nice on the skein, but they look very different when you work them up. I said this last time when I did the what to expect type thing. So they do look very, very different. So if you like all of this like rainbow yarn one, if you're making something with it, it's going to be higgledy-piggledy. Yeah, I don't quite know where my jumper is. I made a jumper with Aldi yarn, and I don't know if I can put a picture of it. and then yeah, so it doesn't look like it does on the skein. It really higgledy-piggledies because it changes colour like every 5 minutes. So just bear that in mind if you're going to buy it, but it is really nice. I will be indulging in some taupe because I feel like I need a little bit of, you know, calm in the chaos. Right, so that's all of the yarns. I think that's all of the yarns because they dropped a wild card last time. So last time I did one of these videos and then everything came out that was in the video, and then there was an extra one that wasn't online. It was like I'll get it, wait there, I'll get it. So I still have like 2 balls of this left because I made my sister a cardigan. I really should put it on Vinted because somebody will want it somewhere. Yeah, so this is not online. This was last January, February times. This was not in the special buys, so I don't know if Aldi are planning to surprise us with another roving yarn. If they are going to surprise us with another roving yarn, that would be very nice because that was a nice surprise. It came in like these neutral colours. There was a bluey, like variegated, there was a pinky variegated, and then there was like a crazy one which had like greens and pinks, but it was really like neutrally. It was nice. It was very, very nice. So I ended up buying more than I wanted to when I was there, but that was a nice surprise. It wasn't online. So the yarns I've told you about here, they are going to be there in stores, but if we get some more roving yarn, bonus. Right, final bits. So there is also a yarn bowl. I'm just going to move back over so I can show you it. There's a yarn bowl. There's 2 actually. There's one that is just like a nice neutrally browny beigey, well, it's cream on the website, and then there's one that's got flowers on it. So there's like a white one and it's got little green flowers on it, so it looks very nice. I personally don't use yarn bowls because I just have like a whole bunch of yarn on the sofa, and I just pull from the balls because I'm normally working with more than one colour for most of my projects, so I just have like dishes all around me. And then there's a very handy gadget, a yarn spinner. So I do have a yarn spinner. I think it's downstairs, I'm not sure. Anyway, I've got one of these. I can't remember what I paid for it, and I don't remember where I got it. It might have been Hobbycraft, but I could be wrong. But this is pretty cheap for a yarn spinner, so these are handy. Sometimes they annoy me because they don't twist. Like when you're trying to crochet, you end up having to just yank the yarn anyway, which I would do from the middle of a ball. So it is cheap if you want to try it, if you're kind of new to the craft and you want to find, you know, different ways to kind of have your setup around you, then, you know, go for it. It's only £4, so try it. But yeah, that's the extra little bits there. And then there is some knitting needles, some crochet hooks, and also some circular needles. So let me just get them up here. Right, now it doesn't outrightly describe the knitting needles on here, so I'm just going to get them up on here. See what sizes we've got. I have to like do this, have a look at it. It does not say, oh it does. Right, so your knitting needles, you've got a 4, a 5, a 6 and an 8mm. They're just like these, oh my god, they're just like these type of knitting needles, so just basic knitting needles there. I don't even know what size these are. I'm getting sidetracked. And then there are crochet hooks. So the crochet hooks, the sizes, it looks like, what is it? It's like your bog standard set. There's a really small one actually. You've got a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, an 8 and a 9. And then there's 2 small ones. It could be like a 2 and a really small one, like a 1. I'm not sure. We'll have a look next week. Don't worry, we'll have a look. And then the circular needles. I've not seen circular needles in Aldi unless I was living under a rock. The circular needles, they come in a size 3, 4, 5 and 6mm. Apologies, I don't know what they are as letters, but like, bear in mind, this is the UK. We're using millimeters, not letters usually. That seems to be it. That's what's going to be happening in Aldi next week. So this all drops on the 18th of September. So that's a Thursday. I will be there. I will be there to pillage. Will you be there? Let me know in the comments. Is there anything that you're particularly interested in getting? Do you like the colourways? Do you think they should have put more Christmas things? Do you think they could have put some more Halloween things? Like, I really wanted orange. Like, if there was orange, I would have stocked up and I would have made myself something nice and orange and blue. I mean, it's not like I don't have enough. That's pretty much it for this video, so I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye!